everyone, so I'm going to make some Pico De Gallo because I'm making a Mexican dish tonight, and I will post that later, but I want to make some fresh Pico De Gallo. We're going to get started on this. The first thing I'm going to do is dice this purple onion. Now you can use a yellow onion, but I've got a purple one that I need to use. So I'm going to go ahead and get that diced. I'm going to start with half of the onion. And we're gonna make sure that we've got it all broke up and diced into nice little pieces. So now I've got my onion diced and put in there. This is so quick and simple. It's these little small grape tomatoes. Some people call them cherry tomatoes. And I'm just going to cut these in half. Okay, that didn't take me very long, and already that looks so colorful. Next, I'm going to add the cilantro. Now I saw a hack on the cilantro, and when I saw it I was like, oh my, that's so simple, and I'm going to try it out with you. So you get a grater and you take and pull it through the hole. Okay, well, that piece didn't work. Let's try another piece. Okay, so you have to hold it underneath when you use this type of grater and pull, and look at there. Hey, wasn't that cool? That just made this so much simpler to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pull all these through here, and I'll come back. And that did not take hardly any time to pull those through. But what I actually did, instead of pulling one at a time through, I stuck 3 in, and it worked so much better. So let me show you that. So I've got them all 3 in the hole, and then just pull. That just cut my Pico De Gallo prep time almost in half, honestly. So let's lay this aside. I've got my cilantro here, and I'm going to go ahead, and what you want to do with the cilantro, you just want to get it as finely chopped as you can. So let's go ahead and add that in. Okay, let's give that a stir. Oh, it's looking good. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add more onion. Let's just do this. Oh, that looks amazing. Guys, now we're going to put just a little bit of lime juice in it. Maybe a splash. That was maybe a teaspoon. Give it a stir. And you can't make Pico De Gallo without some salt. And that's how easy it is to make fresh Pico De Gallo. I hope you guys enjoyed, and do come back and visit us at Home Cooking is for the Birds.